Hundreds of Indonesian citizens in Timor Leste gathered at the Indonesian embassy in Dili to celebrate the nation's 80th Independence Day with a vibrant display of culture and tradition. The commemoration featured a solemn flag-raising ceremony, a choir performance of regional songs, and participants dressed in colorful traditional attire. In his speech, Ambassador Okto Dorinus Manik underscored this year's theme, unity, sovereignty, prosperity, and progress, echoing President Prabowo Subianto's call for food and energy security. To honor cultural preservation, the embassy awarded a round-trip Dili-Denpasar ticket to the best traditional costume participant. The festivities will conclude later in the day with a flag-lowering ceremony and the announcement of winners from Independence Day competitions.